Behold the solar-powered bird bath slash fountain created by Marlin Anderson. Its primary function is to replenish the bird bath from the well on sunny days. It's not intended to run full time or at night. It's just supposed to survive droughts and not need human attention every day to refill the reservoir. There it is, running nicely in full sun. The water comes up into a reservoir around the base of the flower, the head of the flower, and then leaks out holes on the undersides of the leaves. Hits the end of the leaf and plops. And sometimes does more than plop. So that's a 4-inch PVC pipe going about 4 feet into the ground. It's a very large amount of water down there. And the solar panel is enough to run the motor. Okay. There it is.